Hello, this is Will Review for You, and I just wanted to show you this alarm clock that I've purchased. I'm putting it on my desk instead of my bedside because it actually blends in with the rest of my blue LED equipment here. But real quickly, the clock has alarm on and off. This button is also for setting the alarm. So if you hold it down, it flashes, and then you'll use the same buttons that you set your hour and minutes for the clock. You use it for the alarm as well. So here's how I can change it to 8 a.m. and then hit set. Now if I wanted to set the clock, you just hold this button down, and now the clock's ready to be set. So I can actually change the date and time, but I don't want to do that. So temperatures in Fahrenheit, but I can switch that to Celsius if needed. So just hit here. And the back has the battery backup, also the USB cord. This is a USB male on the other end, but on this side it's the round 5.5 millimeter plug. It's also got a female port, so I can actually plug in a charging cable. And my time looks like it's off, but if I plug this back in, it should still say 3:12 because I use the two AA batteries as a backup.